Okay, today we have everyone's favorite VRSF exhaust for this E90. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. What are you doing?
Well, you know, with your exhaust, they ship somebody to help you install the exhaust. So
That would be Gage.
here I am.
No, we actually already have the exhaust. It's already out. What is this? Is this a catback?
Goes from your catted down pipe all the way to the back of your car. It's a full bolt-on exhaust. VRSF does a really good job of sending it to us all ready to go. We just have to bolt it together. Really simple install. We're going to walk you through it. This is the race version, not street version, so there's no muffler. So basically a full straight piped exhaust. Be much louder than stock, as y'all saw in the beginning of the video, the before, and we're going to show you the after once it's all up in the car. So stay tuned.
Okay, first things first is we're gonna pull this old exhaust off.
We're gonna lube up these hangers, make them easier to get off in a little bit, and then start unbolting it from there.
Okay, the new exhaust is on, and we are going to do the first start. Should be a lot louder whenever you're ready. That's so much louder. Wow. Dang.